Anyone having the doubts? Last session, no? Search help we have done, right? So I started recording already. Any questions? So what is the main purpose of search help? Right, this is search help. What is the exact purpose of search help? You can use this in the ABAP program, so. And then you can use in the data element also. Once you attach to the data element, right? Where you can use this data element? Data element in which places? In which place is very important? Use of the data element. Application of the data element. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So I'm just asking anyone, can you hear or not?
Yes, sir.
I was asking, right, the question, what is the purpose of the data element? Purpose, leave about the purpose of search help. What is the use of the data element? What is the data element first of all? Data type, right? Data type. It's a global data type. Okay. So where you create that in SC11. And then you can use in which places you can use it. You can use it in the ABAP program. This is ABAP program, right? So ABAP program, you can use it for to declare the variable. Right? V underscore matnr, type matnr, for example. Okay. And what is the other place we can use the data element? One more important place where it will be useful. Table, right? Table field. Table field. For example, if you take a standard tables or custom tables, so right here. We go to standard table, right? Suppose you go to Mora, you click on display. This is the data elements, right? This data element will give the properties to the field, what type of information you want to store in this field as part of this table. If you go to here contents, if you see the data, this is the data. So this field will get the data type from the data element. So it will specify what information you want to store in this field, right? So, and what I use, I mean, how you use in the program is the data element. So you can create one variable in the program. Go to C38. Go to C38. Right? Usage of data element. Quick ABAP program or demo of usage of the data element. So I'm searching the package name, existing package name. Go to existing package, choose that. Why we are choosing the data? Why we are using the package? What will happen if we don't use the package?
Sir, it is stored, it acts like a container whenever we transport any object or table element from development to quality and quality to production. The same is accessible if it is stored in the same package.
Correct. Now the transport request. So what is the exact concept of transport request?
The transport request is created to carry an object from one
System to
development
other
server
system.
to
Other system. It's container. Actually,
yes.
package is higher level. Okay, transport request in the lower level, and below that you have the we call as object. This is a flow. While also we go to here. Right here, this is the flow. It's a package. A package will have the transport request. Transport request can have the we call as objects or terminology. We call as R3 repository object. So already I said this, so that I am repeating again, so that you'll keep remember this one. Right? R3 repository objects examples are tables, data elements, domain. What else? Search help, view, right? Program, right? Function model, function group. We'll discuss all this. We are not started this one. So all these things we can store under this transport request, so that you can transfer the programs and all these repository objects from one system to other system. Development, quality, and production. This is called SAP landscape. Industry terminology. Means how the system is organized in a typical SAP system. So you do the programs here, then you release the transport request, what you created. It will be available in the quality for testing. And then from the quality import to production system, so here the users will be using for the business point of view. This is the flow. So users will access the production system. Who is the main? Who is the users? Who is the users? Right, the people who are going to use our product or programs.
So the client people.
Client people. Okay. Now we are done here. Exit transport request. Now you can create one variable. What is the variable? V underscore, for example, MATNR. Type MATNR. Now what will become this V underscore MATNR? Is the variable. Variables will declare variables, work area, and internal tables will declare using data statement. Okay. We'll discuss this today about the variables. Okay. Now what is this V underscore MATNR? How many records will store in V underscore MATNR now?
Sorry, sir.
How many records will store now in V underscore MATNR?
Sir,
How many records will store? This is always single variable means single value, not a record.
yes.
What is the meaning of record? Record is a group of fields, right? This is the record here. If you go to the table, and if you go to the table, go to the contents. Contents means records here. This is the record. The whole row is the record. This is the field, each field. This field value, this field value, this field value, this field value. What is this field? First field. I think sometime back I explained through the practically. What the purpose of this MA entity field?
Sir, it is the server number.
No.
The client, sorry. Suppose you are working in development, it is a different client than quality, and in quality it is different than. So MNDT stands for the client specific number.
Not client specific number.
Actually, client number in different servers, you can say.
Each server will have different clients. Right. Go to here.
Yeah.
This is SAP server. SAP server. Here you will be having different clients. So it says client number 800. In the same server, development system. Client number 810. Okay. And client number 820, like this, in one system only. It's what you see when you are logging. If you observe in the logon pad, when you are trying to log in here, and you go and try to log in here, right? This is the client number, this one. So this is one work unit in SAP, one system. Okay. So whatever the data you are going to store, right? Whatever the data you are going to store, those data is client specific. Means in one client, if you create, the data will be in that client only. Right? To specify the client specific data, you use the main data. I think I explained already through practically, just check it earlier videos. By taking extra client. Okay. Now we'll store one single field value here. How do you assign the value here? You can assign here. V underscore MATNR equal to M100 here. Okay. Now the topic we are discussing is the search help, right? So last class we have done the elementary search help. right? I think I gave the homework also. Let me check what I did, what I said to you. So elementary search help and expand also collective search help also last session. Right? Did you try to create a collective search help? I think I showed you already last session.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I think I gave also
Yes.
some task also as a homework.
Yes, VBAP and VBAP.
Did you try it?
So my server is disabled.
Okay, okay. No, I can move on, no problem. Okay, so I can, you do that, okay, na? So if you show my screen, I'll share my screen. In the class already I did, right? But if I go to here, this is what I did. Collective search help I have created. So I group two search helps, right? And based on this search help is based on what exactly? On the help you. Double click here. On the help you I created. Some problem. Capture another system. 11 here. Color to search. Right here. This element is search help. Okay. This is one search help I created. On where does only help you, right? This is one search help. So we are going to combine this search help with other search help. This is one search help. And we have one more search help. What is the selection method here?
Sir, selection method is the table name. It indicates from which table you want to create the search help for a field.
Correct. So data will come from this one. You can give here help you, or you can give a table, or you can give database view also. And what is this L position, S positions?
Sir, list position and screen position.
L position is list position. S position is screen position. Right? What is the L position, S position? Slightly, this one not so easy to understand unless you practice it, especially search help. Okay, no? Because his terminology slightly maybe looks complex. So you should practice, then only you understood that. So these are two searches we created. Then we are combining into as a collective search help. So for that, what do you do? Is what we did in the last session. Go to here, give as a collective search help. Click on create. Go as a collective search help here. Okay, and right here, collective search help. Right, you can use the search helps here. Whatever we created, both element is search help. We forgot how to search it here. Suppose I forgot to search help names. How do you get that names? Right. Search with this name because I give this name. Okay. Choose the first search help and then go second search help here. Right. Search here. Save it now. With the package. Okay. Now go to the field assignment here, which is a common field here between these two. Right here. Parameter MATN or is the parameter. That's the common field we are passing. You are giving the option to two different options to the user. Export parameter MATNR Save it. Go to include search helps. Okay. You have to assign the parameter common field in between these two. Choose this one, click on parameter assignment. Right, go the MAT NR here. So this search help, elementary search help parameter will go to collective search help as a export parameter. Copy here. Second one, choose this. Okay, assign the parameter assignment here. Double click here. Click on S. Is not active. That's why it's not coming. Activate. Back. Right. Activate this one now. Right. So we are not assigned MARD here. Put here cursor with the parameter assignment. Click on S. Assign the material number. Copy. Now common field is linked between these two search helps. Okay. Now where you can use this search help in the program, if you want to use it, how do you use that? What statement do you use it?
P_NT.
What statement do we use? Go to ABAP program.
Parameters.
Right. To the parameters you will assign is the match code object.
Type C match code option.
Yes. Go to C38. Okay. Right. Date image. Collective. Search help. Uses. Select to search help. Use in the program. Click on create. You can write here usage of the search help. Go type as executable. Right. Go to save. Enter. Right. Now you can give the parameters. What is the purpose of parameters? P underscore Martiner. Okay. 40. Type C. Match. If I just give type C, what will happen? If I execute, what will happen? Check syntax. Activate. Execute now. Right. So this input, do you see any input search help here?
No.
No. Why is not coming? Because
Because it
you are
assigned it with match code object.
type C. So assign no match code object. Match code. Yeah. Copy paste search help name here. Copy paste the try to search help here. Check syntax. Activate. Execute. Right. Now you get the search option here. If you click on here, you'll get the options. Two options will get. Right. One is elementary search help 1. Second one is second elementary search help. This one. You see two options here. You can choose from here. Press enter. Choose the material number here. Okay. Or this is one from one search help has come. Or choose the second one. We choose this one. Data will come from which table it comes? MARD table. You can choose from here to the material number. Right. Whatever the value you choose here. Suppose I choose a material here. This material number. Copy. Now that material will come as to skin field here. Okay. This is one way of using the corrective search help. Search help, even any search help. What is the other way use of this search help? Where can you use this circle? Other than the SC38. Inside the data element, right? This is what is said here. Okay, search help you can use in the data program and data type. So let us create one data type, data element. Go to S11. Okay. Which button we should choose to create a data element?
A domain.
Domain.
Data type.
No, data type.
Data type.
How many data types are there? How many
Three.
data types?
Four.
Data types. How many data types?
Four.
Here. In this screen, there are 3 data types.
Three.
One is the data element. Second one is structure type. Third one is table type. Okay. So I'll go to here. I'll go ZMAS_MATNR here. Click on create. Okay, you are getting data element. Press enter. Go to here with the data element or material number. Okay. Now go to built-in type here. Okay. Built-in type, choose here character 40 because material number character 40 in Nora table. Character 40. After this, what you should do? Save this one. What is this one? What it's saying? Field label. What is the purpose of this field label? Color headings, right?
So by using the field labels, we will get the headings automatically of the fields.
Yeah. Yes. Say 10 characters heading, material number. 15. Material number.
Suppose with the folder in the this one. Not two. No, meeting the nah. How did it kind?
Save it here. Syntax. Activate. Right. Now where you can see this, you can open all of your system. Open S11. Any data element you open it. Any data element you open it. Tell me where do you assign the search help here? Open parallel your system. Go to any data element. Maybe you can give Mattner also in the S11. Click on display. There you can see the data element option. Check it. Go to S11. Did you found? Open SC11, MATNR. Any data element you can open it. Tell me where you can see this to attach the search help.
On the domain field.
Hmm?
Domain field.
Hello?
Domain field.
Not domain, right? Data element related to search help. Data search help is related to data element, not domain.
So I'm on the MATNR then.
Hello?
So what do you say?
What I'm asking is where you assign the data element, search help to the domain or data element.
Data
Check it
element.
both. Check it both.
On data element.
In data element where? Check it quickly. We don't have many tabs here, right? How many are there? Only 4 tabs.
Built-in type.
Hmm?
Built-in type.
Do you see the built-in tab search help name?
I don't get your question.
I'm asking that where you assign the data element inside the data element search help.
Ah,
Where you see? Explore. Check it one by one. Where do you assign the search help to the data element? We have done this already in the last session.
that further characteristics to.
Check it. Check it.
Yeah,
Check it.
I'm checking, sir.
Uh,
On further characteristics screen, now.
Is it there? Hmm.
On name parameters.
Correct. That's where you
Parameter
should.
ID.
Yes,
Default
yes.
component name.
Yes. Right. Here. You can see they are very clearly mentioning, right? Search help.
Okay. First 5 minutes, I don't get your question.
Okay. Suppose I forgot search help, what do you do?
Type star and search.
What type?
Z, whatever the name.
Uh,
Search help name. Z
yes.
underscore MH. Star.
Click here. Right, call to search help. This is the call to search help. What these parameters? What I should do? Think 1 minute.
MATNR.
So based on which field you want to make this yourself work on your program.
Correct. Go to here. That's all.
For example, MATLAB. Yeah.
Save it now. Right? Activate now. Okay, after creating the search help, assigning the search help to the data element, what is the next step? How do you know it is working with search help is going to work? How do you use it? How do you know?
You have to make use of the search help in the program.
Search help already we have used in the program, right? What I'm asking is, how do you use this how do you know that? Right, you attach the search help to the data element. It is working. How do you use it? In the other way, how do you use the data element in the ABAP program? Just now I said, right? How do you use the data element in the ABAP program?
SA38.
SA38. Go to here. Right, you can go here. P underscore. What should give here now? Type search help name, right? Search help name. I should use search help name. Sorry, data element name. Okay. Now what will happen? Line number 9.
Directly it will show the number of possible values for P underscore matching.
It gives a search option basically. Check syntax. Why this error is coming? Why this error is coming? Hmm?
Just P MAT. P underscore MAT.
What is that error it is saying? Why that error is coming?
Because it is already defined in the next previous line.
Correct. So what I should do?
One or
Use
whatever.
some other name. Right?
Other name, right?
Check syntax here. No, activate here. Execute. Right now you see the option here. This search help has come. Okay, tell me exactly. Think 1 minute. What is the difference between using search help? What is the difference between using search help with match code object or with the data element? What is the difference? Which one is the advantage? Or what is the difference basically? What is the difference between line number 8 and 9?
Sorry, line number 8, we are declaring the P underscore matching variable under parameters type character. And after that, we have to, in order to make the search help available for the variable, we have the match code object. But in P underscore matching 1, we are directly using the search help.
So what is the main concept of attaching the search help to the data element?
Well, match code object which we then where data can be searched, and the next line is how the data can be searched or how the search is performed.
Data element, if you use it, right? So you use the data element in the ABAP programs, multiple programs, right? Program 1 here. Program 2. Okay. Program 3. So like this, you can use it. Same data element you can use in the multiple programs. Automatically it comes the search option here. You can use here. You can use here. You can use here. Okay. Since this data element is having the search help, this is search help you assigned already. This is search help. So automatically it will be available, applicable for this program, and this program. Okay. You can create any number of programs on this data element. What is the other use of the data element? One is we can use in the table, program. What is the other use of the data element? I said already.
In table label, you can directly use the data element to declare a field.
To data type as a field here, table, right? How to do that? For example, I can go and create one table quickly. Go to S11. Okay. Create one custom table. I made data element uses here. Click on create. Go to data element. Use it. Okay, materials data. Go to delivery class. What you should use delivery class for materials data? Which option you should choose here? Application table. Right? What do you choose here to insert the data?
Allowed.
Yes. So that you can insert the data. Save it now. Choose the package. Okay, now go to fields. Right? You can choose here the fields here. First field is MANDT. Is it mandatory to give MANDT or not?
Yes, primary key.
Why we are giving MANDT?
Primary key.
Huh?
Primary key.
Primary key is okay. Is it mandatory or not mandatory to give MANDT?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Is it mandatory?
Yes.
Sure.
Ah.
Okay, open one table. All of you. One table SC11. DD02L. Oh, table name is DD02L. Open the table name DD02L in SC11. DD02L. Go to
Yeah,
SC.
there is no MANDT.
So
Tab name.
yes, it's not mandatory. Why it's not there in that table? DD02L will store the not business data. It is the client independent data like table, program,
It
data.
is not client specific.
So this business data is client specific data like materials, right? Sales orders, purchase orders. Hence you need a mandate field. Hence you need not a mandatory. If you don't create, no error will come, but it's not a correct concept. Okay. What is the next field? I'll go next field as MADNR here. Here I will use our data element, what we created just now. Go to here. Use this data element here. To copy this. Okay, make it primary key here. Suppose if you don't make it a primary key, second one, material number, what will happen? How many records you can insert? Suppose you don't create a primary key, second field, only first field you create a primary key. Okay, when you try to insert the data, how many records it will take? Can you take as homework? You can try. What will happen? I'll give as a homework. I'll give as a homework. Can we create a table? First question is, can we create a table without primary key or not? Okay, this is also one question. No? Second one is, can we create a, is it mandatory to give first name, first field, MANDT or not? Is it mandatory to give first field MANDT or not? Okay, second one is, if you give only MANDT as primary key, how many records will store? How many records it will store in a table? Okay, do this practically and tell me next class. Okay, na?
Okay.
Right, where we are here. Right here. In the table. Let's save it now. Give one more field, MTRT. And use the MTRT. So why I'm using this MTRT here? What are the difference between this MTRT, this MTRT? What is the difference between these two fields, MTRT, MTRT? What is this column or this column? What are the difference between these two? This is a field name, right? What is this one? Data type. Let's save it now. Okay. If you want, you can give one more field, MATK. Save it now. Check syntax. Right. So we have do technical settings. What is the purpose of technical settings? What is the data class? What size category? Hmm? We have
The
discussed.
data class specifies where our data is going to be stored virtually. And
Hmm.
size category implies that how many records will be stored in our database table,
Hmm.
in the custom database table.
Yes. Now, if you try to insert the data, go to utilities, table contents, create entries, right? Go to your MATNR. This search option is coming from where?
Search and
From the search what we created.
data element.
In the data element level here. So element is search help or collective search help? How do you
Collective
say?
search help.
How do we say is collective search help?
There are two bar on top. Elementary search help on map. MART, and we connect that tables.
Two search options we are given here. If you get here from, it comes from search help. What is this box? From where it has come, this option? Whereas for this one it is not coming. For this one it is not coming, but whereas this one, no, search option is coming. One more search option coming. What is the difference between these two? How
We
it is
give
coming?
search help for that table also.
Mm-hmm. Why this search option is coming here? One more search option. What the meaning of this one is? If you search here, for example, retail, chemical industry, you are fine-tuning the further search here. Press enter here. See, now you can see only that retail only will get here the data. Only retail will get. So your further restriction you are doing searching. This comes from where? I'll show you search help. You tell me where from where it
Help
comes.
view.
Help you will come only data. That box, extra box is coming, right? That I'm asking. Right? If I go to here, okay, see this search help. For this one, you are getting the search again restriction box. Okay, see this one. You click on back. Search for this one as well. For this one, see this one. For this one, you are not getting. For this one, right? When I'm searching here, see here. This box is coming for first search help. First search help.
This is elementary search.
Uh, So you see the skin here, right? This skin is for first search help. The second search help is this one. Right? Go to SC level. Right? Search help MARD one here. Right? Display. See this one and this one. What a difference between these two. This search help, right? See the my cursor position here and see the other one. This is MARD. Second one is search help. This one is other search help. See the skin cursor position, you will get answer automatically. See this section now. You see other one. This is other one. MARD one. This is only help you. What the difference between here and there? I'm circling already. Answer.
A dialog.
Dialog value with restriction. If you use that option, then this option will come. It will search
Okay.
again the data restriction. It's a dialog with the restriction. This is what S positions. Okay, we discussed this in last session. Go through it, okay, now?
Yes,
Practice
S
it, okay?
position, L position.
S position.
You can reverse it.
You can search again so that restriction you are doing, so that only specific data will come here now. If I choose for this one, for example, now this information will go and search only that value only. You only know plant, what plant you are searching, that plant value only is coming here. Okay. So you practice this one, no? Okay, now. So next class I'll start the programming, data types and all, tomorrow class. So give search, do the homework what I given last session or